New Perspectives on Computer Concepts 2013, Chapter 3, Computer Software. In this video, you will learn about software basics, office suites, installing software and upgrades, buying software, security software. Section A, Software Basics. In this section, you will learn about software categories, music software, video software, graphics software, mapping and location-based software, business and number crunching software, desktop publishing software, personal finance software, utility software, device drivers. Software is categorized into two main categories: application software designed to help people accomplish real-world tasks, and system software designed for computer-centric tasks. Music software, such as iTunes and audio editing software, offers many ways to work with music, sound effects, and narration from your desktop, notebook, or handheld computer. Video software provides a set of tools for creating video productions from raw footage. Consumer-level video editing software includes software such as Windows Live Movie Maker and Apple iMovie. DVD authoring software creates DVDs with Hollywood-style menus. Graphics design software such as Paint software, photo editing software, drawing software, 3D graphics software, CAD software, and presentation software is designed to help you create, manipulate, and print graphics. A mapping application, such as Google Maps, typically displays satellite, aerial, or street maps used to locate places and get directions between two addresses. Location-based software is able to access your current location and use it to show you the closest shops, restaurants, and theaters, as well as information about each location. Stay alert for devices and software applications that track your location. This figure on the left shows you how you can view a street map, satellite image, or street view in Google Maps. In the figure on the left, Yelp uses the GPS signal built into your mobile phone to pinpoint your position and offer suggestions for nearby restaurants, banks, museums, and other attractions. Vertical market software is designed to automate specialized tasks in a specific market or business. Horizontal market software is generic software, such as payroll software, accounting software, and project management software that just about any kind of business can use. Number crunching software provides a structured environment dedicated to a particular number crunching task. Desktop publishing software, or DDP software, takes word processing to the next level by providing professional tools for producing typeset quality documents. DDP software allows you to create a page using multiple frames. Some frames can hold text, while other frames can hold titles, graphics, and tables. Today's word processing software typically provides an adequate feature set for the document production needs of most individuals. This figure illustrates how DDP frames give you exact control over the position of text and graphical elements on a page. Money management software offers a variety of tools for tracking cash flow and investments. Personal finance software, such as Intuit Quicken, is designed to keep track of income, expenses, assets, and liabilities using a simple checkbook-like user interface. Tax preparation software is a specialized type of personal finance software designed to help you gather your annual income and expense data, identify deductions, and calculate tax payments. Personal finance software offers lots of tools to help you get a handle on the money that comes in and goes out. Utility software is designed to help you monitor and configure settings for your digital gear, its operating system, or application software. Third-party software companies offer additional products that extend and improve upon those supplied by the operating system. A PDF reader, such as Adobe Reader, is an essential utility that displays documents stored in standard PDF file. Adaptive utilities alter a device's user interface to create an accessible environment by providing closed captions, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, or large screen text. System utilities can track down and fix disk errors, repair corrupted files, and give your device a performance-enhancing tune-up. A device driver is software that helps a peripheral device establish communications with a computer. On a Mac, you can click the Apple icon, select About this Mac, and then select More Info to look at a list of devices connected to your computer. On a PC, if you need to update a device driver or change its settings, you can usually access the driver by using the Start menu's Control Panel option and opening the system icon. The Windows Device Manager offers access to device drivers. You can check if they are working and change the settings. You can also check the device driver's version number and compare it with the most recent version posted online. Section B, Office Suites. In this section, you will learn about Office Suite Basics, Word Processing, Spreadsheets, Databases, Presentations. Word processing software has replaced typewriters for producing many types of documents, including reports, letters, memos, papers, and book manuscripts. A typical word processor window displays a work area, called a workspace, that represents a blank piece of paper. No matter which word processor you use, it includes elements similar to those shown in this Microsoft Word example. Word processing features include Word Wrap, Search and Replace, Thesaurus, Grammar Checker, Readability Formula, Spelling Checker, and Spelling Dictionary. This figure shows how word processing software can check your spelling and grammar. The look of your final document depends on several formatting factors, such as page layout, paragraph style, and font. Page layout refers to the physical position of each element on a page. Paragraph style includes the alignment of text within the margins and the space between each line of text. A font is a set of letters that share a unified design. This figure illustrates how document headings were formatted by selecting a style with a single click, instead of individually selecting font color, font size, and font style. Now, if the heading style is changed to green, for example, all the headings will automatically change from black to green. A spreadsheet uses rows and columns of numbers to create a model or representation of a real solution. Spreadsheet software, such as Microsoft Excel, iWork Numbers, Google Docs Spreadsheets, or LibreOffice Calc, provides tools to create electronic spreadsheets. A formula tells the computer how to use the contents of cells in calculations. Formulas can contain relative and absolute cell references, mathematical operators, functions, and automatic recalculations. Functions are special formulas provided by spreadsheet software. The examples in this figure shows how a relative reference within a formula can change when you change the sequence of a worksheet's rows and columns. An absolute reference is anchored so that it always refers to a specific cell. A database is a collection of data. Database software helps you enter, find, organize, update, and report information stored in a database. In this figure, database software provides tools for specifying fields for a series of records. A query language, such as SQL, a structured query language, provides a set of commands such as natural language query, keyword search, and query by example for locating and manipulating data. Presentation software supplies the tools for combining text, photos, clip art, graphs, animations, and sound into a series of electronic slides that can be shown on a computer screen or projector. This figure shows how a computer-based presentation consists of a series of slides created with presentation software. Section C, Installing Software and Upgrades. In this section, you will learn about web apps, mobile apps, local applications, portable software, software upgrades and updates, uninstalling software. Software installation is a process that places a program into a computer so that it can be run or executed. A web application, or web app, is software that is accessed with a web browser. A web app is an example of cloud computing and is often associated with consumer sites. Most require no installation at all on your local computer or handheld device. Web apps such as Google Docs can be used for collaborative work. The document can be edited online by any of the people listed as collaborators. A mobile app is designed for a handheld device, such as a smartphone, tablet computer, or enhanced media player. Most handheld devices can use both web apps and mobile apps. Mobile apps can be purchased from an app store, such as the Apple App Store or Android Market. Apps are available from other sources, but using them requires an unauthorized change to the device's software called a jailbreak. As these figures illustrate, mobile apps range from simple utilities that turn the device into a flashlight to more sophisticated apps for entertaining and learning. When using a Windows computer, you can usually start application software using the Start menu or a desktop icon. Most local applications contain a setup program that guides you through the installation process. At least one of the files included in a software package is an executable file designed to be started by users or automatically launched by the operating system. This figure teaches you how to install software from distribution media such as a CD or DVD. This figure illustrates the process of installing downloaded software. Portable software is designed to run from removable storage, such as a CD or USB flash drive. Installation is simply a matter of getting program files to the media on which they are supposed to run. As this figure illustrates, portable software is designed so that you can simply copy files to a hard disk or flash drive without additional installation. Periodically, software publishers replace older versions of a software product with a new version that's sometimes referred to as a software upgrade. A software update, also referred to as a service pack, is a small section of program code that replaces part of the software you currently have installed. Software updates are usually available online for registered software and may include an automatic update option. Always install updates and service packs when they become available. Many software publishers require users to type in a validation code to complete an upgrade. Uninstall routines delete the software's files from the various folders on your computer's hard disk. Section D. Buying software. In this section, you will learn about consumer basics, software copyrights and licenses. Most operating systems include a handful of small applications and a good variety of useful utility software. System requirements specify the operating system and minimum hardware capacities necessary for a software product to work correctly. A copyright is a form of legal protection that grants the author of an original work exclusive rights and is displayed as a copyright notice. Software licenses, also called license agreements, define the ways in which you may use a computer program. An EULA is an end-user license agreement. Different types of software licenses include public domain, proprietary, commercial software, demoware, shareware, freeware, open source, BSD, and GPL. The figure on the left shows various open source and free software applications. The figure on the right is an example of an end-user license agreement. Freeware is copyrighted software that is available for free. Product activation is a means of protecting software from illegal copying by requiring users to enter a product key or activation code before the software can be used. A hash value is a unique number derived from encoding one or more data sets, such as names, serial numbers, and validation codes. Section E, Security Software. In this section, you will learn about security software basics, security suites, antivirus modules. Security software is designed to protect computers from various forms of destructive software and unauthorized intrusions. The terms malicious software and malware refer to any computer program designed to surreptitiously enter a computer, gain unauthorized access to data, or disrupt normal processing operations. Computer viruses, computer worms and mass mailing worms, Trojan horses such as remote access Trojan software, bots such as spiders and botnets, and spyware are examples of malicious software or malware. This figure provides some examples of possible symptoms of infection. The term rootkit refers to software tools used to conceal malware and backdoors that have been installed on a victim's computer. A virus hoax usually arrives in an email message containing dire warnings about a supposedly new virus on the loose. A security suite integrates several security modules to protect against the most common types of malware, unauthorized access, and spam. A security suite costs less than purchasing standalone security modules. This figure illustrates how the Norton Security Suite includes modules for scanning viruses, detecting spyware, and activating a firewall against unauthorized intrusions. Antivirus software is a type of utility software that looks for and eradicates viruses, Trojan horses, worms, and bots. A virus signature is a section of program code, such as a unique series of instructions that can be used to identify a known malicious program, much as a fingerprint is used to identify an individual. Virus signatures and other information that antivirus software uses to identify and eradicate malware is stored in one or more files usually referred to as virus definitions. This figure lists various antivirus modules. Most experts recommend that you configure your antivirus software to periodically scan all the files on your computer. If, during the scanning process, your virus protection software identifies a virus, worm, Trojan horse, or bot in a file or attachment, it can try to remove the infection, put the file into quarantine, or simply delete the file. That completes New Perspectives on Computer Concepts 2013, Chapter 3.